Well, hello guys, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome to Xfinity. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Premiere Pro if it is not using your graphic processing units. In short, it is called as GPU. If you have a high-end GPU and your Premiere Pro is not using your GPU properly, and you are not getting a maximum render speed, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix uh, uh, the GPU acceleration in Premiere Pro. How to fix graphic card is not being used by Premiere Pro. So in this video I will show you step by step how you can fix all these problems. What you need to do is you need to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share this video. It will be very helpful for me. So once you are in your Premiere Pro, let's open a final yes yeah, let's open the files, and after that there are certain settings that you need to do so that your Premiere Pro may use GPU properly. So let me show you the settings of my graphic processing unit. So how to check which graphic card do you have installed in your computer? You need to go to this PC, and then you need to click on then you need to click on properties by your right click on this PC, then go to properties, and then you need to go to device manager, and after that you need to go to display adapters, and there you can see NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. I have installed a graphic card in my PC. So as you can see, I was editing my PUBG mobile video, and you can see this preview is very smooth, and it is in full playback resolution, and it is not stuck anymore. And Premiere Pro is also using my GPU properly. Okay, so let me show you how you can fix the issue if your Premiere Pro is not using GPU. So first of all, what you need to do is go to file, and then you need to go to project settings, and then you need to go to general. After that you might see your project name here, and you might see three options here. Do not change any ingest settings, and scratch disks. Okay, what you need to do is stay in general option, and then you need to change the renderer mode. Now if you have a very high end graphic processing unit like 2080 or 3090, then you may see three different options here. Number one is Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration CUDA, and the second one you might see is Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration OpenGL. So you can select both of them, and they are both working like a charm, but I highly recommend to select CUDA. If you do not have any graphic card, then you can go with Mercury Playback Engine software only. It will not use your GPU, it will use your CPU and RAM to render everything. So if you have a high-end graphic card, go with CUDA. If you don't have any graphic card, then go with the software only. So I have 1660 Ti, I will go with CUDA. After that, keep it as none, keep it as timecode, and for display format is audio. And also you need to change this setting, color management HDR graphics, change it to 100. If you are not satisfied with the result, then you can change it to 203, which is default. And if you have a very high end graphic card, then you can select 300. I am going with 203. So after changing these settings, let me show you how this affects my rendering speed. Now Premiere Pro will use my GPU for the encoding and decoding. So let me show you. You need to go to file. You can export it by clicking on media, and then you can name it anything you want. Let me rename it to PUBG. I will also make another video tutorial on how to export your video in its maximum quality and performance. So as you can see, let me show you my task manager and go into performance. My GPU is only used at its 9%, and it is used by Premiere Pro and other softwares. Let me export. As I have selected the CUDA acceleration, you can see here my GPU is being used by Premiere Pro, which is up to 62%, which is very cool. Video encode is used by GPU, and video decode is used by my graphic processing unit in Premiere Pro, and you can see it is almost 2 GB files, and it is very quick in its export. As you can see, my CPU is only 43%, it is not 100%. My memory is half, 9.3%, 57% is used. Everything is cool, but my GPU is used way too high. That's what our mission was. So I hope it helps. Another setting you need to consider is you need to select performance. You need to select hardware encoding for maximum performance. That's it. And this is the version of 2020, I guess, and there is no option available to change the settings, rendering settings to my graphic processing unit. So this is the only way you can do to maximize your performance in Premiere Pro. I hope so you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And in the next video I will show you how to export the video with maximum render quality. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much.